Hello, welcome back again to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at this 2019 Grady-White 257 Fisherman. Like all other Grady's, of course this Grady has a legendary CV2 hull, which is the softest riding hull in the industry. High gunnels on it, and she's powered by twin Yamaha 200s. Let's pop aboard here. Of course, when you get aboard, you can see that this Grady is a luxury boat. Has a large live well and transom fish box, dual helm seating, and nice layout on the helm station. For full viewing of this boat and any of our other Grady-Whites, come see me, Dwayne Diggs, MarineMax Gulf Shores.